I am going to rock out to my 80s music with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up these. These are headphones, but what I love about them is that they are retro styled. And in fact, I was actually looking at getting like an old pair of headphones and then removing the little speakers in there and putting modern Bluetooth earphones in there. But I realized I don't even have to do that. Somebody's gone and done it. And these headphones are designed to look like old school headphones. And as you can see here, old school headphones are just kind of cheap. Flimsy. You remember this? The single wire that goes across the top, those orange foam ear cups, just like that. I will say there's a few differences here. First of all, these are even a little bit more robust than the old school headphones that I used to have. Everything seems a little wider. This metal band was really thin, probably about half that size. But at a glance, man, that looks totally old school. Yeah, Peter Cetera.
Tonight it's very clear as we're both lying here.
Oh man, what a genius. And then they do adjust here. As you can see, we have a little wire there that kind of moves as you adjust them, so you can slide these up and down. But what's most interesting about this is that these are Bluetooth headphones, so no more of that old school stuff. I will show you here. You can see they kind of kick out, so this will be your left side. On this side, this is not a button, but on this side, it is. So if I hold that down, they will turn on and be ready to pair. I'm taking off the ear cup there, so little foam ear cup. Just want to show you what you get there. You get your speakers right in there, but I'm kind of looking for a place to charge these guys. And there it is. You can see the little red and blue blinking light showing that it's in pairing mode. And then right there, you have a micro USB port. So that's how you would do it. And then this button over here will be mode. So I'm going to go ahead and pair these up and see what they sound like. All right, I've been jamming with these things on. They actually sound pretty good. They are obviously pretty small, that retro style right there. So they're not like big over the ear headphones that kind of isolate you from everything. So you just got the little ear pads, which is totally cool. And like I said, they actually sound pretty good. They definitely don't sound as good as a decent pair of over the ear headphones. But what I love about these is that this orange here really looks cool. I will say they come with set of black foam pads in the box if you want maybe just a little bit more subtle look. And it does come with a USB to micro USB cable right there. I will also tell you that the button right here, when you tap it, will play pause. So it's basically like a mode button. However, if you hold it down, you will get your Siri assistant, in my case, or your Android assistant, Google Assistant, and you can speak to it. And there is a microphone somewhere in there. I think the little hole next to the charging port is the microphone. So if you do get a call, you can take that call. You can use these to dictate something like an email response or speak to your assistant. So you can absolutely use these just like pretty much any other headset. So if you want to pick up an awesome retro headset so that you can listen to your music, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.